welcome back to Chasing Trophies. The Sunrisers have beaten Kolkata Knight Riders, and that is why we are excited. The first win of the IPL, a good game of cricket, not the closest one. Lekin Sunrisers playing to their strengths today, hitting 226, and then with the ball, which we were very scared about, they did the job. Excellent performance, and they've exceeded our expectations. That's why Faiz Bhai is smiling. I'm also happy. We have energy today. Faiz Bhai, your initial thoughts on the game?
भाई आई जस्ट वंस मोर सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद विन वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था भाई. आज जो हम लोग जीते जरूरी था. पहले तो इज्जत दाव पे थी कि भाई विकेट्स बॉलिंग सुन के दिमाग खराब कर दे रहे थे. उसके बाद केकेआर के अगेंस्ट आ रहे, जो एमआई के अगेंस्ट हम देखे थे उनकी बॉलिंग, उसकी कंपैरिजन आ रही थी हमारे कि भाई इन्ना और बेकार है. बट ट्रेविस हेड, अभिषेक शर्मा की रन्स बहुत क्रिटिकल निकल के आए आज. Over the moon right now with the performance, but long season to go, much better opponents to come. But this was needed, bhai. This was an ultimate confident booster for Sunrisers.
Yeah, 100%. It was very well needed. I think Jasa Bole, Travis Head and Abhishek Sharma, they set the tone. This is what we were missing. Even last year, इतना consistently नहीं मिला. मगर आपको मालूम है ये जब दो perform करते हैं, like you mentioned, they do win a lot of the games, so that they set the platform over there. It was incredible hitting. I felt the first over was too quiet, but then they made up for it. They were bashing the ball to all parts. Some crazy shots. Travis Head hit one over extra cover, which looked so good. After that, bhai, Blessing Muzrabani came in. He bowled a beautiful spell, picked up a couple of wickets in the over, and Anukul Roy also picked up a wicket, and the brakes were firmly on Sunrisers. This time around, though, they didn't make the mistake like they did in RCB. They didn't keep going for it. Klaasen and NKR were careful. They might have struggled towards the end, but they were careful. They were still getting boundaries, and instead of a 200 score, they made it a 226.
Yeah, 100%. Well, like I think Muzur Rabbani, just saab bole, he came in for 70 lakhs as a replacement of Mustafizur. A lot of people were saying कि भाई पिटिंगा करेंगा, but आज की जो विकेट थी, Eden Gardens में suited his style. Batting में साहब बोले, like again it was a 250 total on the card, but जो middle overs में I think they pulled it back. Varun Chakravarti भी उनके लिए थोड़ा अच्छा करा था after the initial phase, but Blessing Muzur Rabbani के साथ कार्तिक त्यागी भी भाई, I think he bowled impressive. 140 clicks consistently, 145 डालना, it's not easy. For Knight Riders again, I think the question goes back like batting का. अब कैमरन ग्रीन का मसला बहुत जोर शोर से और आएगा, because कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करे थे उनसे कि भाई उन्हें बॉलिंग करेंगे, बट नाउ एवरीबॉडी इज गोइंग टू बी इरिटेटेड बिकॉज़ ना तो बैट से रन आ रहे ना बॉल से रन आ रहे. बट फॉर नाइट राइडर्स दे हैव टू लुक हाउ दे कैन बैलेंस दिस टीम. रॉबर्ट पॉल भी बेंच पे उनके पास. सनराइजर्स के लिए ट्रेविस हेड, अभिषेक शर्मा, ईशान किशन, क्लासन की इनिंग, भाई क्लासन के बारे में बात करेंगे. 23 करोड़ आज थोड़ा अच्छा दिख रहा है. 23 करोड़ NKR as well, not in the field but bat and ball बहुत जबरदस्त.
Yeah, no, that's what I was saying about Klaasen. अगर आप देखें, I think like the way he played today, him and NKR, that like जो बैंगलोर में जो हम लोग गलती करें यहाँ पे नहीं करे. And then that's what I was trying to like. If you see the shots that he was playing, also वो reverse वाला वो कर रहा,
एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा था. कहीं ना कहीं फंस रही थी विकेट. अब हमें नहीं समझ में आती कोई उसकी पावर खत्म हो गई या इज इट अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ दैट विकेट. But the maturity obviously that he has, he's one of the best players of spin. We know okay, what he's capable of doing. Building blocks से दो भी मैच में आप बोल सकते Klaasen has performed. दो भी गेम like वो गेम में तो आउट नहीं था हमारे हिसाब से RCB game, but this game again staying till the end, making sure कि भाई he's at least there as a senior figure. That shows the responsibility that Sunrisers has already told him भाई तुम्हारे को करना है.
Yeah, 100%. And there was a bit of controversy again with the catch of Abhishek Sharma. For me, it was out, and the umpire did give it out. Lekin Varun Chakravarti picking that catch was a surprising thing, man. Like, because
that's why everyone thinks it's a controversy.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you can have your opinions on it, I think. But one thing that we both agree on, we might not agree on the decision, but we both agree on it. Okay, you should have better resolution cameras, man.
100% भाई. Like आप iPhone ही खरीद के डाल दो उसमें, तो बेटर आपको zoom in मिल जाता. भाई आप स्टेडियम से S25 यूज करो तो आपको बेटर प्लेयर का मतलब क्या उसका शर्ट में क्रीज जा रही है वो दिख के आता आपको. तो ये कौन सी बात हो गई. So I think there should be like you said 8K 4K. I think Jio has enough money. If they're spending 2,000 crore rupees on they're getting the rights, I'm pretty sure एक 5-10 लाख रुपए खर्च के कैमरा ले सकते हैं. But again, that's something that we have to call out the broadcaster for. And I don't know, Mustafa, what happened to the benefit of doubt. एक ज़माने में होता था कि benefit of doubt inconclusive है, so I'm going to give it a benefit of doubt. Maybe in this situation conclusive थोड़े लोगों को दिख रहा होगा, okay, but that last game as well हम ये चीज़ देखे थे.
They've given the benefit of the doubt. They transferred it to the umpire's call. So like whatever the umpire decision is, they give that benefit there now these days. So that's where it switched a bit. Like so the umpire feels it's if the soft signal is out,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
आप like आपको benefit of doubt उसमें ही मिलता. अगर soft signal not out है तो फिर बैट्समैन को ही benefit मिलता. So it depends on what the umpire gives on the field. So he's given that power in that sense. But in the end, it didn't. In fact, to be honest, for me, it wasn't that big of a thing. There were plenty of wides, on both sides and stuff, and there are these wide reviews. For me, man, I don't like the wide review system. अगर अब है तो है, हमारे को संभालना पड़ेगा, and there's so much always controversy in that and everything. But yeah, they got to 220. Then when the batting started, Finn Allen, man, उन्होंने क्या मारा था भाई, मेरे को डर लगा पहला ही ओवर, मतलब उन्हें धज्जा उड़ा दिया पेन का, and it looked like this is going to be a long night. It might go to the end, we might lose this game. That's how it looked like. But I mean, good captaincy from Ishan Kishan. We'll talk about his captaincy also. But that Harsh Dubey over was crucial, man. That wicket of Finn Allen was crucial.
Yeah, it stuck, bro. Like that catch stuck to his hands. He must have been brave putting it out his hands and managed to, attempting to catch also is a big thing. Knowing that Finn Allen का ball bat से strike आई है, and he was looking in full momentum. By David Payne को इन दफना दिया था उन्हें first over में 25 runs. उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि कहाँ डालूंगा इसको, because हर जगह से लग रहा कि मैं everything was reachable for Finn Allen. But then I think again credit we were giving to Ishan Kishan's captaincy was getting Harsh Dubey on quickly, taking away the bat, the ball away from the right-hander with his left hand action. I think that was something that was the key battle there, and I think luckily we managed to get that wicket at insult to injury. Like then Dabao jo Dev Natkar se aaya, Ishan Malinga se aaya, I think that was helpful to restrict them to something that we got 84 and they got I think 73 in the power play or something. So we had that gap of 10 runs, maybe psychological advantage. Shivang Kumar bhai, he was more impressive. Quicker through the air, बहुत अच्छी line in length. Fielding was pathetic in his over. Unfortunately, the numbers do not justify what Shivang Kumar did.
Yeah. I mean, the fielding was pathetic. He bowled really well. For me, he was the first guy who felt like उन्हें bat को भी beat करा, उसको नहीं पढ़ पा रहे थे. He made it difficult for the batsman. He was putting the pressure on. But unfortunately, उसको वो नहीं मिला, backing with the field, and he could have taken a few wickets. Also, Jaydev Unadkat, man, he's the experienced guy. He's been there for a long time now. Workhorse बोल सकते हैं आपको. ये जो pitch था उनको suit करा है. He loves these kind of pitches. The variations and everything, and today he was unbelievable, man.
Yeah, 100%. मतलब सबसे बड़ी चीज ये कि टॉस जीत के हम डर गए थे, हम हार गए टॉस, हम लोग जीत के. We thought it would have a due, but not having the due was actually very helpful for us. Like I said, slower हो गया. Jaydev again short delivery वो थोड़े फिर slow down करके it comes down, so it's difficult to judge कि भाई length क्या आएंगी, आपकी height क्या ही पाएंगी. And obviously even the catching from him was incredible today. 2 catches भी लिए Jaydev Unadkat ने. Experience है, तजुर्बा है. We had Harshal Patel also again, but he went with the left armer, probably looking at the right-handers जितने हैं side में. I think 2 ही left-handers हैं, Rinku Singh and probably Narayan. So maybe they just thought that the line of right-handers, maybe Jaydev Unadkat across the line, something could happen. Ishan Malinga also by run out he became the best fielder today. Run out on his
and he bowled really well. Malinga और Ankyar दोनों मतलब मिलके बहुत improvement था उन लोग के bowling में. उन्हें अभी भी erratic है, but if he pitches it hits the deck and uses variations, plays a bit smart, he'll be very effective.
Shout out to Ankush Raghuvanshi again. I mean, bilkul he started off quick, but then slowed down. Something that you were talking about, but 250 on the trot. It's a good achievement for him.
And also because of him, we won the game. He was involved in 2 big runouts. That's one thing I want to be very critical. Then you can see that, but shout out to him in that. But obviously, he's the orange cap. He's done well. Today he batted well, magar wahi hai na, like in clutch situations, you just need a bit more awareness. And I don't think he should take it too hard on himself, but there's something to think about over there for KKR. Need to keep the calling clear, especially जब आप इतना बड़ा टोटल वो कर रहे थे. वो स्पेल भी यार एनकेआर का हम बात करें बहुत जबरदस्त था टुडे. What did you feel was different? Is it because he was bowling not in the power play? Was he he had the field, he didn't have to be like too accurate, but he did bowl close to the body, but he didn't have to worry about gap mein boundaries when everything. He had fielders out.
I think the confidence that he understood the pitch very well because he had batted on it initially, and he thought that he could expose the slowness of the wicket. But seam positioning सही रखना है, maybe keep it away from the left-hander so that they try to reach him. Automatically again अगर seam के साथ movement मिल रही थी उनको, and आज time पे भी आ गए, शायद बस में आ गए थे, आज time पे team पे बस में आ गए, तो maybe that helped him not thinking कि भाई मैं late आ गया, लोग क्या सोचेंगे. But we saw in the intra-squad matches also, that's why we were thinking a power play with Dalinga. He just looked a little bit more fresher in terms of the bowling. He's fitter, not unfit. Fielding wise, again very bad. He was very, very bad. Not this bad. I've not ever seen him. But with the bat also, I think he complemented Klaasen very well in hindsight because the wicket was a little challenging. but there's a lot of work to do. With the ball, he looks much more refreshed, and I think just having that little bit of sample to understand where to bowl with like someone like a Vaibhav Arora and like Blessing Musarabani ko dekhe, maybe he's understood कि भाई this is how I have to bowl today, and that probably just added two wickets and 70 for the 2 overs. I think he bowled very well, but something that you pointed out very well in the stream was that यार ये KKR थे, अभी MI आना है, अभी DC आना है, अभी पंजाब किंग्स आना है, अभी गुजरात टाइटंस आना है, against the better batting side, against the better bowling side. That is where the actually maybe the batting was still confident, but with the bowling it's a question.
Yeah, 100%. And KKR का अगर आप देखें, like you mentioned, today I felt that bowling was good in pieces, but
they
then
came back well.
हाँ, मगर वो ये ना power play पे काफी रन दे दिया, and towards the end like a few boundaries in there, but I still feel the bowling was better than before, and considering उन लोग के इतनी injuries हुए भाई ठीक ठाक था, मगर बैटिंग में भाई 2-3 प्लेयर पे रिलायंस है, रहाने like अब आके जो है ही इज इन द टीम, तो उनके लिए आप कुछ शफल करना पड़ रहा, आप साइफर्ट को भी नहीं खिला सकते, रॉबिन पॉल को भी नहीं खिला सकते, तो रहाने नीड्स टू फिगर आउट व्हाट्स हिज बेस्ट रोल इन दिस टीम. The problem is if he's not there, you don't really have a captain. I mean, Rinku is vice captain, you can go that way, but he's never captained like properly before. If you want to take that call, is this time the best time? That's what they'll have to see. But आप देख लो आज फिन एलन के बाद ऐसा कैमरन ग्रीन था, उन्हें भी आउट हो गया, वो रन आउट हो गया. Raghuvanshi was there, he batted really well, don't get me wrong, but you didn't get that feeling कि भाई इन्हें मैच जिता देगा.
आप needed a Cameron Green something.
क्या आप जब ग्रीन के बाद कौन था यार, उसके बाद में रिंकू था. Apart from that, you felt हाँ 2-3 प्लेयर हैं यहाँ पे, अपने पास में कुछ ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस देना अपनी बैटिंग में. सो दैट इज केकेआर को ये देखना पड़ेगा कि इज दिस आवर बेस्ट 11. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट इन अ प्रॉब्लम राइट नाउ, एंड अगर उनके इंडियन बॉलर्स फिट थे तो मे बी दे डिडंट हैव टू प्ले ब्लेसिंग मुसरबानी, but he's still a blessing in disguise because he's bowled well. But I'm just saying if they want to get that combination, how do they get the combination here?
Yeah, I think here Musa bhai do cheeza hai. One, I think you have to start sacrificing either you have to sacrifice Sunil Narine maybe, to get a Rockman Powell, an extra bowler and a hitter in the middle who can be ramped up in the middle. Yeah, Rachin Ravindra who can give you bowling and batting in the middle of it, but you have an Anurul Roy. I mean, I'm not comparing the both, but maybe Rockman Powell, someone that can accelerate in a situation. You're not going to expect Narine. If Narine is not opening, either you should Narayan and Rahane and try that. Narayan ko opening de do aap, Rahane ko play him like we played last season 5 and 6. Maybe you look at that route, or else you have to probably look at Narayan out, and you have to probably look at a Rockman Powell or someone over there. So it's going to be difficult. Where Pati Rana agar fit bhi ho gaye bhai log, masla ye hai ki bhai how are you going to fit them? What's going to be the combination? How are you going to be able to balance the act with KKR ke jo defects hai? And again, like, I don't know if Venki Mysore will take the bold call of changing the captaincy, but maybe right now it looks like that there's a possibility here.
आप ये कर सकते कि आप ये चलते जाओ, जब आपको मालूम है कि ये सीजन खत्म है फिर रिंकू को दे दे कैप्टनसी just to give him some.
honestly रिंकू पे भी confidence नहीं होता, like as a captain he doesn't have.
I know, but like we don't have that. I'm saying give him like 4 games and see. Then
maybe I just give it to a senior figure Narayan and just let him end.
But वही है ना कि Narayan, we don't know what's going to happen next year and everything. अब vice captain ने उसको दे तो देख लो. You don't know. Like to be very honest with you, if I asked you 3 years ago that like are you comfortable with Ishan Kishan captaining Sunrisers, you probably say no. Like nobody would think about Ishan Kishan as captaincy material. So you don't know. You just try it and see. Because मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई आप उसको वाइस कैप्टन बना दिया. अगर just at least if you not आपको कैप्टनसी पे भरोसा नहीं है, ठीक है, एटलीस्ट आप कॉम्बिनेशन तो सही बैठा सकते हैं ना. अगर आपको कैप्टनसी दे दी
हो वही कुछ करना पड़ेगा मे बी.
Because नारायण का भी आप देखो, you trying to look to sacrificing him. Rinku to will at least be in the level, so at least you just try and play the you at least just play him for the combination, give him the captaincy and then see. वो भी अभी नहीं, probably 4-5 मैच के बाद अगर things are going south.
I think for KKR like this is a very good evidence that they have to maybe sacrifice either a Narayan or a Rahane. I don't think Cameron Green is the answer to sacrifice. It's not going to be unfair on him because देखो batting तो कर लेगा वो. I think first game he got a good start, वो convert नहीं हुआ, 18 जो भी मारे ये वाले में तो रघुवंशी को रन आउट कर दिए. Coming to that, अगर Cameron Green को गिराते आप, you'll probably get a Rockman Powell, you'll have Finn Allen. If you drop, do you think there's a question Finn Allen, Rachin Ravindra, Rockman Powell and Blessing Musarabani?
Yeah, I mean,
but again that like Seifert भी है, but there's again फिर पति राणा अगर आप आ गए एनओसी लेके तो फिर आप क्या करोगे? Like there's a lot of
पतिराना तो मुजरबानी को ही बैठाना पड़ेगा
Which again Patirana अगर आते की बात like there's too many question marks right now in the KKR camp.
उनको वही देखना है कि भाई देखो कैमरन ग्रीन का परेशान मत हो, अगर आपको खिलाना है खिलाओ, नहीं खिलाना ये बॉलिंग का आप छोड़ दो, बिकॉज कूपर कॉनली इज आल्सो नॉट बॉलिंग, ने गेम जिता दिया ना, आप छोड़ दो उसको। देखो प्राइस टैग प्रेशर है, ही माइट नॉट परफॉर्म द होल सीजन बट दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी द फर्स्ट प्लेयर टू डू सो। सो आप मिल गया नाउ, जस्ट बैक करो उसको जितना बैक कर सकते। जब आप बैटिंग खत्म कर दो उसको बिठा के साइफर्ड को लेके आओ, आपके पास ऑप्शन है वहां पे। नाउ वर्क अराउंड द अदर ऑप्शंस, ट्राई एंड find out रहाने का क्या solution मिलेगा आपको, and then take it from there. Look, also, you know, KKR fans should also like accept the fact that yeah, it is a bit weaker now, and we are in a building phase. Rather than blaming the players right now, they got to look at what they did in the auction. Auction में आप गलती कर दिया यार, आप श्रेयस अय्यर को निकाल के वेंकटेश अय्यर को रख लिए, वो तो सबसे बड़ी गलती है। उसके बाद आप स्टार्क को बेच दिए, इसको भी कर दिए, उसको भी कर दिए।
उसके बाद 110 करोड़ रुपए थे उसमें भी, लाइक अगर अब हम जब निकले थे तो ऐसा लगा यार they actually had a good squad, but we forgot like they actually filled a lot of foreigners, which is usually the case with a lot of franchises. But yeah, I think
आप जो इंडियंस को बैक करना था आप नहीं करे, आप जिसको बैक कर लाइक जो नहीं करना था बैक कर दिए, जो करना था आप नहीं करे। So that is the
I understand हर्षित राणा इंजर्ड हो गए, आउट ऑफ द सीजन हो गए, that's a very big problem over there। वहां पे आपको ब्लेसिंग मुजरबानी जैसे प्लेयर को खिला, लाइक ब्लेसिंग मुजरबानी को खिलाना पड़ा है। और वहां पे आप साइफर्ड को मे भी देख रहे थे, या मे बी वो लुकिंग एट रॉक में पावल, बट देखो भाई इंजरी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए आपको ऑप्शन में घुसना पड़ता है टू शो दैट यू हैव अ बैकअप फॉर ईच बैक प्लेयर।
Yeah, 100%. And yeah, I think that pretty much wraps it up. It was a good discussion, good game. Obviously, 2 points on the board for Sunrise Hyderabad. Much needed, much better performance from them. Now they will play Lucknow on Sunday. Today we've got Punjab versus CSK in Chennai. So looking forward to that. Make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe button. Stay tuned to Chasing Trophies. Thank you, Faz. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Take care and good night.